बराबर
0 आयो पाछो.
कयो see R1 becomes R1 plus 2 R2 means first row element plus 2 into second row element. You can see the first row element is 2 into 2 2 plus 2 into second row element means you can say 2 plus 2 into 5. Now again we apply for this 3 plus 2 into second row element means this 6, and like this R1 is 4, then plus 2 into second row element is 7. Now we calculate 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 7 2s are 14 plus 4. Now the rest of the elements are as it is 5 6 7 9 2 3. So in the next topic we use normally these three symbols for finding the inverse of the matrix. Is that clear? Please see again. Now Ri to Rj means interchange the element of ith and jth row. Ri to Kri means multiply k to the element of ith row. Ri to Ri plus Krj means multiply k to the element of jth row and add to the element of ith row. Is that clear? Now this all the operation I have explained, but now again I have repeated so you can see the sums. Next one, that is exercise number 3.4. Is that clear? How we find the inverse of the matrix by using elementary operation. Here we use normally these two things. You know that A is equal to A into I, or A is equal to I into A. This logic everyone know. Even you all know that A into A inverse is equal to I. We use this logics to obtaining that inverse of the matrix. Suppose if I take this one, A is equal to A into I. Suppose matrix A given whatever. I is identity matrix. We apply here elementary operation. We all do the operation both the side, here and here. And we turn this A into what? 1 0 0 1 is equal to A into the matrix whatever we obtain. So this is nothing but I. This is A into. Now when the product of a matrix with another matrix is identity matrix, so say if you have an inverse of the matrix, so that means inverse of the matrix is this. The process you clear? A is equal to A into I. Either you take this or this. Now we have to apply the operations. Elementary operations. And we have to see the inverse of the matrix. Now in exercise number 3.4, the same thing is given here. See, A is first sum. A is 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Is that clear? Now, by using elementary operation, we have to find out, using the elementary operation, we have to find out what? Inverse of the matrix. Understand? Clear? See, I'm taking this way. we have A is equal to I into A. Suppose A is equal to I into A. That everyone know. Now A means this given matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 3. I is what? Identity matrix 1 0 0 1. This A we keep as it is. Is that okay? Now by using elementary operation we have to turn this matrix into what? So say into this 1 0 0. Okay, 1 0 0. Otherwise I write here. So we have to change this one as like this 1 0 0. दिखाई दे रहा? Yes. मतलब this element first one we want a 1 that is given. So okay, no problem. We keep as it is. Now we want this place element is what? 0. So now what we do here? So you get it 0. अब ऐसे तो रफ नहीं कर सकते, 0 रफ नहीं रख सकते. You have to apply elementary operation. अब क्या करें? तो just you see here, अगर मैं इसको -2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो क्या होगा? 2n minus 2 will be 0. So that means second row we want here 0. So which operation we have to apply? तो say second row element plus first row element, but what we have to multiply here, then it becomes 0. So say -2 R1. अब ये जो ऑपरेशन है वो यहाँ भी यूज करेंगे, यहाँ पे भी यूज करेंगे. Then it will be what? See, therefore first row as it is 1 minus 1. अब जरा यहाँ ध्यान देखना, यहाँ मैं कैलकुलेट करता हूँ. Second row element means 2 minus 2 into first row element means 1. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 2 into minus 1. So 2 plus 3 becomes 5. Is that clear? Now the same thing we have to do here. 1 0 first row as it is. But here how we write this calculation? Second row element 0 minus 2 first row element is 1. So the value will be -2. Second row element is 1 minus 2. Second row first row element is 0. So 1 minus 0 is what? 1 as it is into. Up to this you clear? Now your first column is 1 0. That is okay. Second column you want 0 1. मतलब यहाँ 1 चाहिए, जबकि यहाँ पे क्या है आपके पास? 5 है. So that means we have to remove the 5 and we need a 1 there. So for that what we do? We divide this row with the 5. Means second row we divide with. Then it will be what? First row as it is 1 minus 1, 0, 1 is equal to 1 0 okay. But the second row we have to divide with 5. So -2 by 5. 9 by 5 into E. Is that okay? Now above 1 what we want? 0. See, compare with this identity matrix. Means this component we want 0. अब देखना ये है कि कैसे 0 होगा. So if I add these two, then it will be 0 minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Means R1 को हमें चेंज करना है फर्स्ट रो को. तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? कि फर्स्ट रो प्लस सेकेंड रो. First row plus second row. Simple. That we have to think and decide. So it will be what? 1 0 0 1. You can apply this logic. 1 plus 0 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 is equal to. अब इन दोनों को हमें ऐड करना है तो क्या होगा? 1 प्लस माइनस 2 बाई 5. तो क्या हुआ? 5 1 5 minus 2 is 3 by 5. Next is 0 plus 1 by 5. That is what? 1 by 5. Rest of the element as is minus 1. But this is nothing but I is equal to A inverse into A. That means your A inverse is what? From this we can say 3 by 5, 1 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. So this way we obtain what? Inverse of the matrix by elementary operation. You understood this whole thing? Now I show you another sum in this way only. Okay? See, I keep as it is. See. Now the second sum. I just take from the book only. That would be a fourth one. 2174. A is 2174. See, here I have used operation of rows. You can also use the operation on a columns. The thing is similar one. Just you have to use in place of this rules for the columns. A is equal to what? I into A. Your A is what? So say 2174. I means 1001 into A. Understand? Now this turns into what? 1001. And what for that, whatever we do operations here and here we have to apply. Understand? So first of all, here 2 given while we want a 1. So what we do? So we divide with what? 2 here. So the first row we divide with 2. There are so many different ways. Once your logic will be clear, then it will be very simple. You can multiply here minus 3 and add to this. तो भी हो जाएगा. 7 minus 6 is what? 1. Okay? But see, बाकी के लिए क्या करना है? ये common technique है. So it will be very simple. Sometimes you have only the fraction, that I agree. So say if you divide with the 2, it will be what? See, therefore, this 2 becomes 1, 1 by 2, 7, 4 is equal to, this is 1 by 2, 0, 0. The first row have divide both the side with the 2. Is that clear? Of 1, first column you see 1 0, while here 1 7. In place of 7, we want a 0. So we have to remove that. So we use this operation. Second row, we have to change. So how we change the second row? तो 7. अगर मैं यहाँ minus 7 multiply कर दूँ तो हो जाएगा. So you can say second row minus 7, first row. So 7 minus 7 would be 0. So see here, therefore, so we apply this operation R2 to R2 minus 7 R1. Then it will be what? 1 half. अब जरा ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे 7 minus 7 into 1, so that becomes 0. 4 minus 7 into what? 1 by 2. So 4 2s are 8 minus 7 is 1 by 2. So can I say? Is that okay? Now the same thing we apply here. The first row as it is half 0. Here you can see second row element 0 minus 7 into half. So it will be minus 7 by 2. Second row element minus 7 into first row element means 1. Second row minus 7 into 0. So this part is 0. So 1 as it is into Okay, first column is over, 1 0. Now here we want compare with the identity matrix. In place of half we need a 1, so we multiply with the 2. So second row we multiply with 2. The 2 are 2. Second row we multiply with what? 2. So 2 are 2 we can say. So therefore it becomes what? 1 half. 0, because 2 into 0 0. Half into 2 is 1. Is equal to half 0 minus 7 into 8. Is that clear? Now in place of this half we want what? 0. In place of this half we want 0. Now how you get it? See. So say, can I say the first row as first row? See, half minus half 0 हो सकता है. So minus half we multiply here with the second row. So that half minus half becomes 0. So therefore you can say, see, this is 1 0 0 1. Okay, you can calculate 1 minus 0 1. Half minus half is 0. Now see this operation. Half, see, first row means a half minus half into minus. So minus and minus plus. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means 8 by 2 becomes what? 4. First row is 0 minus half into 2. This 2 cancel, so it is minus. Second row as it is. This is nothing but I is equal to A inverse into A. So therefore your A inverse is become what? 4 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So like this we get it. What? Inverse of the matrix from the matrix by using elementary operation. Understood everyone? Yeah. See, there is one more property there. See, like this you can make it 3 by 3. See, suppose to be any matrix say given like this 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 1. अब इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करोगे आप? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 means this 4 you make it 1, rest of the element make it 0. यहाँ एक ही एलिमेंट 0 बनाते थे, यहाँ दो एलिमेंट 0 बनाते. इसको 1 बनाओ मिडल एलिमेंट, फिर ऊपर और नीचे 0 बनाओ. सेम थिंग मेक इट दिस 1. ओके है, ऊपर दोनों को 0 बनाओ. This will be a little bit lengthy only, but you get it easily. But see, there is also one more thing. If by doing this calculation, if any row or a column of the matrix A, see, for finding this inverse, when we apply this elementary operations, and when we apply this supplementary operation and elements of any row or a column becomes 0, every element becomes 0, then inverse of that matrix does not exist. Then we say that in that case inverse of the matrix does not exist. Now from the matrix you can say this property, I just forgot to write that, A into B inverse. Also you can say as a B inverse into A inverse. See in the next exercise, so many sums given based on this. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Now, please do the exercise number 3.4 basis on this and also the miscellaneous exercise. Goodbye, good day everyone.